Welcome back to Automobile Tech. Today, I'll show you how to replace the AC evaporator core on a 2016 Hyundai Elantra AD. The best part is that I'll be replacing it by removing only half of the dashboard, making the job more efficient while still maintaining proper access. This is the brand new evaporator core that will be installed. As you can see, I've already removed the AC expansion valve, disconnected the heater hoses, removed the required dashboard bolts and nuts, and unplugged the floor wiring connectors. With just a few more bolts removed, the evaporator housing can be accessed. Keep in mind that this is an advanced repair and should only be performed by a qualified technician. To protect the vehicle's interior, I've covered the seat with a padded protective sheet before moving the dashboard. This helps prevent scratches or damage during the repair. Now I've carefully tilted the dashboard onto the protected seat, giving us enough space to remove the evaporator housing. After removing a few screws, the evaporator core comes out easily. Take a close look at the old evaporator core. You can clearly see the oil stains, which confirm the location of the refrigerant leak. Whenever refrigerant leaks, compressor oil usually escapes with it, leaving these visible traces. Next, I'm installing the new evaporator core by following the reverse of the removal procedure, making sure everything is fitted correctly and securely. Finally, the dashboard is reinstalled exactly as it was removed. All connectors and fasteners are secured, and the evaporator core replacement is complete. After evacuation and recharging the AC system with the correct amount of refrigerant, the air conditioner is ready to deliver cold, reliable cooling once again. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more professional automotive repair videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.